Hello and welcome back to a year of content from CS Design Studios, all focused around the invaluable tool that is Google Business Profile. In today's video, we're covering the users section of your account to allow you to collaborate with your team for secure, seamless operation of your business profile. Stick around for more. We are currently in the 12th and final month of our year-long series, dedicated to diving into all Google Business Profile has to offer. Over the past 12 months, we have covered every aspect of your profile, from setup to client conversions, here on this channel. So feel free to check those out and comment below to let us know what you'd like to see from CS Design Studios next. Let's get started. Today's video is about granting other users access to your Google Business Profile. And there are a lot of good reasons why you might want to do this. You can add on a dedicated content creator to manage your Google postings, a dedicated reputation management expert to respond to reviews, or any additional eyes you want on your profile to optimize its performance without having to do it all yourself. But it's also something you want to be careful about, as you're potentially giving these users access to sensitive information. Google offers 3 different roles to users: primary owner, owner, and manager. Each business profile can have multiple owners, but only one primary owner. Both primary owners and owners have full profile access and the same capabilities, except a primary owner can't remove themselves from a business profile until they transfer primary ownership over to another user. Managers, on the other hand, still have most of the capabilities as an owner, so you want to make sure they are someone you can trust. But managers cannot remove the business profile or manage users like owners can. By adding a new owner or manager, each person can have their own access without sharing sign-in information. To add an owner or manager, select Users from the left-hand side of your dashboard. Then click Add Users, select either Owner or Manager access from the Choose a Role drop-down menu, and invite the team member to join via email. Once they accept, owners can further edit or update the new user's access at any time from the Manage Users window. With so many aspects of a Google Business Profile to manage, it makes sense to want to bring on as many trusted users as possible to get it all done right. At CS Design Studios, we have a team of digital marketing experts dedicated to building out your Google listing to its greatest conversion capacity. We invite you to learn more about that with a visit to our website at csdesignstudios.com. And remember that we are going to be sharing our digital marketing tricks of the trade every month here on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow your business with every new video.